In this video, I'm going to teach you how to play the Escapists 2 with friends local. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Doing a local multiplayer split-screen co-op game in the Escapists is extremely simple. You will be able to do split-screen on any map besides the starting prison because that is supposed to be a tutorial. So after you are done with the initial tutorial or the first prison for the Escapists 2, you will be able to do multiplayer. Keep in mind that the game offers various different ways to do multiplayer. You have co-op, local game, online, and split screen, and finally versus. In this video, I'm going to be focusing on what to do if you want to play locally. So if you have a friend over and they have their own controller, all that you have to do to begin a split screen co-op game is to open any game file in offline mode. So whenever you choose a prison, you start the save file, you will be able to configure it, and on the play mode, you can choose between all of the options. Usually you can leave it on local or select offline. Now, by doing this, whenever you join the prison, your friend is going to be able to connect the secondary controller to the platform where you are playing, and as soon as they press any button on the additional controller, it is going to be activated. Now, the screen will be shared, and you can start playing the Escapists 2 locally with 2 players. And you will be able to do up to 4 players on the same screen. So as long as you connect an additional controller to one console or one PC, everyone is going to be sharing the same screen to play on the same prison. And like I said, you can explore other options related to online play with public or friends only, but for this video I wanted to keep it simple because local play or split screen is going to be extremely straightforward to set up and use. So all that you have to do is connect an additional controller to your platform, go into any prison besides the starting tutorial one, and press any button on the additional controller that you connected to your platform. This will initiate split screen mode immediately. I hope I was able to help you on how to play the Escapists 2 with friends local. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.